of Enugu East and issues of federal consistency. I am from Enugu State, the core city, Mr. Speaker. I rise this morning to move the motion on the urgent need to compel the Fed.Character Commission to diligently and objectively discharge its constitutional and statutory mandates and responsibilities. Because of the exigence of time, though I've asked because of the import of this very motion to read the motion and the content of the motion, if you permit. But if not, I will go straight to the prayers. The prayers to mandate the relevant committees of this House, when constituted, to request the Fed.Character Commission to forward the returns of all appointments undertaken by the ministries, agencies, and corporations under its jurisdiction between 2015 to 2023, and report to this House 2 months after the receipt of that official submission from the Commission. I so move.
Mr. Speaker, upstairs.
What is yes too? They can amend.
Urge the Fed.Character Commission to submit the Fed.Character Balancing Index, Balancing Index of all the employment approved for agencies and MDAs within the period.
How is that different from the already existing prayer? Differentiate two of them.
No, the difference between employment and the Fed.Character Balance Index will show the number of the states, the number of the employment approved for the states is different from the employment. You can employ, maybe your employment will not reflect the fairness and equity of the state. So this one will let us know the Character Balancing Index, which now shows the equity and justice in the employment level. And that's the complaint of a lot of people, that the employment has not been showing the Fed.Character balancing. So we have to be sure that...
Thank you. You have made your point. What you are saying is that...
My name is Honorable Miriam Odinaka Onoha. I speak for the people of Okigwe, Onimo, Isi Alamba, no Federal Constituency. I am from Imo State. I rise this morning to move for an amendment owing to the importance of this very motion that the House do set up an ad hoc committee to carry out a holistic investigation of this alleged misappropriating in the employment and approvals by the Fed.Character Commission. That's my amendment, Mr. Speaker.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.